Have you ever wondered if the gut microbiota is really the main culprit behind inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis? For years, scientists believed that the bacteria in our intestines might hold the key. But the truth is, IBD doesn't have a single cause. It's the result of several factors working together: genes, the immune system, gut microbes, and our lifestyle. Research published in top journals like Nature Reviews Gastroenterology and Hepatology shows that more than 250 genes are linked to IBD. These genes, such as NOD2, IL-23R, and ATG16L1, make some people's immune systems more reactive to the normal bacteria living in their gut. In other words, their body sees friendly microbes as enemies, and the immune response never turns off completely. Now, what happens to the gut microbiota itself? In IBD, the balance of gut bacteria changes. Helpful, anti-inflammatory species like Faecalibacterium prosnitzi decrease, while more harmful species like E. coli AIEC increase. This imbalance, called dysbiosis, can definitely worsen inflammation, but most studies suggest it's not always the original cause. It often develops as inflammation progresses, creating a vicious cycle. Inflammation damages the microbiota, and the altered microbiota fuels more inflammation. Meanwhile, the immune system keeps overreacting. In healthy people, the immune system coexists peacefully with good bacteria. But in IBD, it mistakenly attacks them, releasing a storm of chemical messengers called cytokines. Cytokines are small proteins that signal inflammation in the body. When too many are released, they cause pain, swelling, and damage to the intestinal wall. That's why modern biologic drugs, like infliximab or ustekinumab, are designed to block these inflammatory signals and calm the immune system. But there's more to the story. Environmental and lifestyle factors can tip the balance even further: diets high in fat, sugar, or processed foods, frequent antibiotic use, chronic stress, lack of sleep, vitamin D deficiency, and even air pollution can all increase the risk or severity of IBD. On the other hand, eating a whole food, anti-inflammatory diet, similar to a Mediterranean-style plan but without gluten or processed products, can help the gut heal and reduce flare-ups. So, is the gut microbiota the real culprit? Not exactly. It's part of the problem, but not the only one. IBD develops through a complex interaction between our genes, our immune system, our microbes, and the environment. Together, they form a self-perpetuating loop that keeps inflammation alive.